Up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I can swap faces inside Adobe Photoshop. So I have this picture of old man and I have this one also picture of young man. I'm going to take the face of the old man and I put a young man in just less than 2 minutes. So let's go. First of all, I'm going to select the laser tool and I want to select the face section of this old man. Yep, we are done. And after selection, I'm just hitting Control C to copy this selection, and I'm going to this young man, and I hit Control V to paste. So after pasting our face in this picture like this, I'm just going to adjust it so as to align with the image in the background of a young man there behind. And after there, now I right click here and I select pixel. After this selection, I come to select. I want to modify it in order to contract. So I come to contract by 6 pixel. Okay. After contracting, then I come now to the image in the background and I just delete. I hit the backspace to delete it. And after here, I just select both of layers like this, and I'm going to edit and just click auto blend layers. Here now, I don't select panorama. I just select stack images like this one here, and I leave this one selected like that one, and I just hit OK. Then we are done.